One of the best niches I am getting many sales from it in print on demand business, especially on Redbubble, is the dog niche. Thus, after this video, it's better for you to create your designs about this golden niche. Either you can create your designs about the dog niche in general, or you can create your designs about the sub niche of dog. And regarding about the sub niches of the dog niche, by and large, for any other businesses, mean the fields of aspects that deal with dog, like dog grooming, dog feeding, dog breeding, and so on. However, as for print on demand business, we can break down the huge dog niche into many sub niches or different dog types. That way you can target your designs about customers who love their pet dogs. And to prove you that is a highly profitable niche, the dog niche in general and its sub niches, let me show you some examples of my sales regarding this perfect niche. So let me show you. And now we can begin with this amazing design, which is about sticker of Jack Russell lover, quote Jack Russell dad. As you see, it's a sub niche of the big niche. And I personally prefer to create your designs about sub niches because you can stand out of the crowd and escape from the huge competition in the dog niche. Therefore, you can get many sales from search results or organic sales. So this one about Jack Russell, and the second one is about Doberman dog, a different dog type. And the other one is for long sleeve of Doberman, different product. And one sacks of Alaskan Malamute dog, as you see. And the next is about one through blanket of I love Boxer dog, funny Boxer dad sayings. And the next one is about one socks of Husky lover gifts, Husky mom sayings. The next one is about one iPhone Pro Max top of Chow dogs. And the next one is about apron of Basset Hound. And the next one sticker of Saint Bernard dog, Bernard lover quotes. And the next one is about one iPhone XR top of Bernese Mountain dogs. And here you got many different dog types to create your designs. And of course, to get many sales from search results in Redbubble, you got to be mindful of the SEO of your design, like title, description, and tags. And of course, I have talked about all these topics in previous videos. You'll find these videos below in the description box. So you have to optimize your design with search engines of Redbubble, okay? And the second tip you have to keep in your mind that you have to create many styles of your design and many styles of your dog type. So if you create your designs about Bernese Mountain dog, so you have to create different styles, different designs, different colors, like quotes, sayings, some graphics, some sticker packs, and so on. That way you can make a full domination and full coverage of that sub niche. Therefore, it gives you more chances to get more sales. For example, here in this Bernese Mountain dog, it's iPhone XR, and this just a graphic of Bernese Mountain dog. And if we have a look at this one, for example, a magnet of Bernese Mountain dog, love Bernese, it's just a design, okay? Text one word with some graphics. Or the next one, as you see, different style of the Bernese Mountain dog. One socks of Bernese Mountain dog, as you see, different form of your design. Or this one, for example, as you see, one essential t-shirt for Bernese Mountain dog, different style, as you see. Or one sticker pack from Bernese Mountain dog lover. If you want to know how to make these sticker packs, get more sales from search results, I have talked about that in previous video. From this video below in the description box. Or this design, as you see, I love Bernese dogs, one iPhone 11 Pro top of Bernese Mountain dog. Or the last one, which is about Bernese Mountain dog as well. As you see, one fitted mask of Bernese Mountain dog. Different style and different design of the same niche, of the same sub niche. That way you can create a full domination and the full coverage of that sub niche. So you can increase your probabilities to get more sales. And here a good question comes up: how to create your beautiful designs about your dog types and your dog niche in general. simply you can head to Google, where you can find a lot of quotes and sayings about your dog types you want to create your designs about. For example, if you want to create your designs about husky, for husky lovers, so you can type here something like husky lover quotes, for example, or sayings, and so on and so forth. Therefore, you can find here a lot, hundreds or even thousands of quotes and sayings about husky to create your beautiful designs. And to create your designs, of course, I have talked about how to create your designs rather than using professional softwares like Photoshop or Illustrator. Just you can use simple tools like Canva, Create, or just phone applications. You can find this big list below in the description box. So simply we can try for today canva.com, as you see, and just you can head to create a design, custom size, and here insert your dimensions like this one, for example. And here on this canvas, just you can head to this left panel to elements, and here you could look for any graphics and vectors about your husky. So you can type here husky, huskies, and so on, as you see, and you head to graphics. Perfect. So you can use all these graphics to create your designs and to make your designs more attractive and more pleasant to your audience. So you can pick this one, for example, this one for husky lovers. Then here you can insert your quote and your sayings that you got from Google, with selecting professional fonts to create your design more elegant and more appealing. To that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.